Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a crypto wallet full guide. Start by choosing a wallet type, download the official app or extension, and create a strong password. Write your seed phrase on paper and store it offline. Never take photos. Test with a small amount, confirm fees, and learn to read addresses carefully. Practice using the wallet in small steps until you feel confident and secure. Choose between custodial or non-custodial wallets, then download the official app or browser extension and create an account. Set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if offered. Write your seed phrase on paper and store it in a secure location, never sharing it digitally. Add a hardware wallet for larger balances and practice sending tiny amounts to test transactions before transferring significant funds. Always verify website URLs, avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions, and use a hardware wallet for significant holdings. Keep software updated, enable biometric locks where possible, and backup wallet files securely. Beware of phishing links, double-check addresses, and confirm transaction details before sending. Consider using separate wallets for daily use and long-term storage. Use reputable password managers to create and store complex passwords for added safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.